The lady loves me, but she doesn't know it yet. The gentleman has ever fed as much as an elephant or a bear. I like to take him for a spin, back to the zoo to visit his kin. He's got about as much appeal as a soggy cigarette. The lady loves him, but she doesn't know it yet. Come on, everybody. The gentleman's an egotist. I'm simply aware, I'm hard to resist. He's one man I could learn to hate. How's about having dinner at 8? I'd rather die with the Frankenstein in a moonlight tete. The lady loves me, but she doesn't know it yet. She's on the fat, she's on the skids. Both of his heads are flipping their lids. Tonight she'll hold me in her arms. I like to be hovering hydrogen bombs. Will someone tell this Romeo I'm not his Juliet? The lady loves me, but she doesn't know it yet. She wants me like poison ivy, needs me like a hole in the head. Everyone can see she's got it bad. Oh, he's mad. The gentleman is an egotist. I'm simply aware, I'm hard to resist. He's one man I could learn to hate. I was about having dinner at 8. I'd rather die with Frankenstein in a moonlight tete. The lady loves me, but she doesn't know it yet. I said she loves me, brings that shrinking violet. I said she really loves me, loves me, loves me, loves me. It's one girl you'll never get. I said she really loves me. Would you like to make a bet? I said she really loves me. The gentleman